call it. We have some terrible news, but yeah, take a look and show you what happened to the E90, so stay tuned. Got the machine here outside. See him. Yeah, things are not looking too right, but hopefully we can save it. So, yeah, check it out. Bracket for this fog light broke, so I had to take that fog light out before I use it. Now on this side, kind of dark, can't really see, but same kind of situation. The bracket for the fog light broke. The snow pushed back on the vent. So you can see right here. Oh no, let me check a look. You can see the vent or the plastic piece for the bumper. I guess the snow pushed it back and that broke. The fog light sitting inside there. I gotta try to get that one out.
Alright, so see if I can get a good angle of this to give you the view from this side, how the bumper kind of pull away from the fender. I don't know if the screw or what really happened, but yeah, that don't look good. That needs to get fixed and sorted out. So on the other side is a similar issue. Let's go over there. Bam, take a look. You see how right here, the big gap? Something out of weight of the snow or something pull this down, because yeah, that looks crazy. Gotta get that sorted out too.
So the situation ain't that bad. Bumper's still pretty much intact. It's just those lower grills. Hopefully we can salvage them or do something where the fog lights can still work, because yo, this car looks good. At least I still got my bumper. I seen some people with their bumpers hanging off, worse than mine situation. So we'll see what we can do. Or I only had this bumper for a few months. Maybe by the summer we'll probably give it a new look. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. Car still looking fire. Alright, here's the 46, kind of buried still, but luckily it's melting, you can see. Well, we ain't in a rush to get that one out. So, video continues now. We in the shop, so we can try to figure out how to salvage, I guess, the fog light grills. See if we can make it work, or after just buy some new grills. We'll see how the thing is. I know the lighting is not that great, but Dante's figuring out something over here. Can't wait till the winter's over. Car looks terrible. Good work. Are you going to snow again tomorrow? I'm gonna still go wash it still.
Today's a good day to do it.
Huh?
Today's a good day. It's gonna be 45 today. Today's the perfect day to do it.
Since Rockstar over there.
Alright. Not bad.
That looks good.
Alright, that fog light in. So, don't know what to do.
That's good. Sally's here stretching up and down. This look dangerous. Think I can pass? Barely made it. Sweet. Don't worry about me. If I drop, I just saw it go. Have to figure out how to climb back out, right? So,
sure these are gonna work.
What you say?
These were working before?
No.
They weren't working?
Oh no, what you mean?
The fog light.
Yeah, the fog light worked before. Yeah, yeah.
So these are two.
All right, we're back in business. Don't mind the two colors. I'll straighten that out. But yeah, we're back in business. Time to button the car up.
Why are they two different colors, sir?
Look at this. We can thank Dante later, cause there's a dual color fog lights.
Oh, so you can change it?
So you press it and you press it again.
Alright, yeah, show me that one time. Right.
Yeah.